New video? Yes? No? Okay, alright. What's up guys? So in today's video, we've got a few great accessories for the iPhone XS Max. So these are a few accessories that I've used and would recommend. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've got a smudge, come on Beta, this dog, I got a smudge on my lens. But anyways, let's get into the video. So the first accessory on our list is the AHA Style Silicone 3-in-1 stand for your Apple AirPods, your Apple Watch, and your iPhone. Now this stand is great because of the fact that it's silicone, so it doesn't scratch up your devices, and it's great that it keeps everything nice and compact, whether you have it on your nightstand or even your desk. This stand retails for less than $20, usually at around $15.95, and comes in 3 different colors. You can get in navy blue, gray, and white. Now let's talk a little bit about cases. The first case I want to feature is the Apple leather saddle brown case for the iPhone XS Max. Now I get it in this color and I like this case a lot because it's a well-built case, fits perfectly on the iPhone, and it ages very well over the span of time. It retails for $49.99. You can get it in multiple colors, and you can find that in the link in the description of this video. The next case on the list is the Urban Armor Trooper Featherlight Rugged wallet case. It's a mouthful. Anyway, it's a great case for those of you who want something that's durable, but also a wallet case that doesn't really look like a wallet case. It's a nice little compartment on the back that keeps everything hidden, and it's a durable case. You can get it for $44.95, also on Amazon or from Urban Armor Gear's website. Speaking of durability, the Mattone iPhone XS Max case is one that I would highly recommend. You don't sacrifice protection and you don't sacrifice style. What I like, of course, is that it's a clear case so you can see the full color of the iPhone, but also if you ever drop the phone, you have these nice rubber edges that will help with impact. The case itself retails for under $15, generally coming in at $11.99, and is one that I would highly recommend. And the last accessory for this video is, this is how I think you pronounce it, the Anope tempered glass screen protector. Now what's great is you get 2 of these tempered glass screen protectors for just under $10. I've personally been using these for a few weeks and they're great. I still have the second one. I've suffered a few scary drops and nothing has happened. So yeah, pretty much quality is top notch. Nope, no pun intended. So if you're wanting to pick up the screen protectors or any of the other products that we featured in today's video, be sure to check out the links in the description below and you'll find all the information that you need. So there you have it, a few great accessories for the iPhone XS Max. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I still haven't cleaned the smudge off my camera. I'm going to do that now, and I'll catch you guys in our next video.